Welcome back to Cyber Broadcast episode 190. I'm Andrzej Cetnarski for Cyber Nation Central. Today, we continue from episode 188 strategy on direct board engagement, showcasing 3 additional boardroom actions to propel cybersecurity innovation forward so you deter breaches more effectively, thus minimizing the 37.5% chance of getting breached in the next 2 years. So here they are. Action 1, board-driven scenario workshops. Ensure your board collaborates with cyber experts in interactive workshops, plotting responses to hypothetical but plausible threats. Ensuring readiness is not just a policy, but a practiced reflex. Action 2, cross-industry cyber think tanks. Join forces across sectors and think tanks, sharing insights and pioneering industry standards for cybersecurity, with boards taking a leadership role in this collective intelligence approach. Action 3, your board innovation charter, so critical. Formalize a board charter dedicated to cybersecurity innovation, backing it with the necessary resources and authority, making cybersecurity an integral part of the corporate mission. Tomorrow, we dive into cultivating proactive culture of cybersecurity innovation, moving beyond protocols to empowerment. Until then, refine your board's strategic cybersecurity vision with the Executive Cybersecurity Blueprint platform for boards and C-suites at cybernationcentral.com. It's time to evolve from oversight to stealing cybercriminals' lunch.